Travel to the next cities with ease through connecting roads and highway. Xevera Bacolor, near Holy Angel Village. 10 minutes away from SM Talabastagan. 30 minutes away from SM Clark. 1.5-kilometer Angeles Industrial Park. 20 minutes away from Clark International Airport. 20 minutes away from NLEX. House in Xevera Bacolor is living your dream home. Focus on your life goals while residing in a place where you can experience comfort and class, while ensuring that your family has access to everything that you need. What are you waiting for? Own a home now. Own a home in Xevera Bacolor.